Category 3 is technical SEO tools.
Ah, yes, everyone's favorite, the technical side. I'm an actor.
She's an actor.
These tools will help you tackle site performance, crawlability, mobile responsiveness, and more, so let's get into it.
Take a shot for every time we say, let's get into it. Let's get into it. The first tool within this category is arguably the worst named tool I've ever heard of.
Best.
Not for me. Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Nightmare inducing, basically. This is free up to 500 URLs. This desktop tool scans your website for a lot of key technical aspects like broken links, duplicate titles, redirects, and a few other technical SEO gaps. If you have a really large website out there, this is great for kind of that beginning phase for auditing. It helps with getting a ton of issues right out the gate. It also helps spot some crawl and indexing issues and lists everything out in a super easy to use spreadsheet, if that's your preferred visual breakdown.
Okay, the next tool in this category is Google Search Console, which is free. This is really a non-negotiable tool for monitoring your website in Google Search. This really is a go-to tool on a consistent basis for us. You can see what keywords you're ranking for, fix indexing issues, and submit your sitemap, just to name a few. Like right after this video, go make sure you have this set up correctly, like
Right now,
but not right now after the video.
like right now. Like this video, subscribe, go do it, and then come back.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes our favorite. The next platform we'd recommend is SE Ranking. This is a paid tool. This is an all-in-one SEO platform. It handles so much, y'all.
This is really one of our favorites, like no lie.
It handles rank tracking, keyword audits, competitor research, and on-page scoring. I pretty much use this for literally everything. It's really nice if you're an agency like us because we can also compile each client as a project to easily jump from one to the next. This is what we would consider our holy grail of SEO software, and we couldn't recommend it enough. Again, this is a full suite platform. A nice thing about it is that it has white label reporting capabilities, which is great for client-based users. And technical little things like traffic forecast and the percentage in top 10 on your active websites are little features that really to us make a big difference. The more data we're able to use, the more we're able to input that in the overall story of our SEO efforts. They're even rolling out new features. Yeah, they're even rolling out new features like the local listing management, which I think is really great that they're always evolving. Oh, and content management as well. So really, this could be the all-in-one platform if you're gonna put your marketing budget towards something, if you're DIYing it, or an SEO agency, this is the way to go in our opinion.
Okay, the next one in our list for this category is Ahrefs. This is really good for deep competitor research, backlink analysis, and tracking keyword trends over time. There's a free and a paid version, but even as a free resource, it provides a ton of helpful data to level up your SEO game. I know one feature we really like about it is the email updates about site audits, so you can track organic growth over time.
The next one is Google Tag Manager. This is free, of course. This is perfect for installing and managing tracking codes like GA4, Hotjar, or even custom events for your conversion tracking. And the nice thing is you really don't even have to touch code every time you do this. Before you get too far into this, I would recommend figuring out some main KPIs and metrics that you think are really important to track on your website. So then when you're creating these tags within Google Tag Manager, it'll help you be a little bit more specific and not become too overwhelmed. This turns the data into a journey of explaining the ROI behind your website to see how effective your website is converting leads. I would say I technically wouldn't consider this super beginner friendly. It does take a little bit of knowledge to get things up and running, but once you get in the groove of it, this data is seriously so helpful in proving how well your SEO efforts are doing over time. We do recommend Love Data's YouTube channel. He has a lot of step-by-step setups that we used in navigating setting up Google Tag Manager implementations, so that's a free resource in addition to setting up this tool that we recommend.